Hi, Dr. Dani here. So we're back in St. Petersburgh, Florida for the American Board of Integrative Holistic Medicine Conference. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the key points from Dr. Patrick Hanaway's lecture on optimal gut function, meaning keeping your belly happy. The first important point from this lecture, and it was something even I didn't know myself, was that in people who have irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, 32% of those people test positive for pancreatic enzyme insufficiency. Okay, what does this mean in English? It means that in IBS, your villi, your little finger-like projections in your gut, are not working properly. They're not producing enough pancreatic enzyme to help you digest your food. So if you're having bloating, watery diarrhea, and pain after your meals and you have IBS, you should get tested for pancreatic enzyme insufficiency. There are functional medicine tests that your doctor can do for this. The second really important thing that we learned from Dr. Hanaway today was that stress and bad emotions can actually change the bacteria that grow in your gut. And we now know this on a very specific level from the latest research studies showing that the stress response suppresses the growth of bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, the two most important bugs, good bugs you need in your gut to protect you from all the other bad stuff. So stress makes them not grow as well. And even more impressive than this, and even more concerning to those of us who have anger and resentment in our life, they have shown now in research studies, this is a medical fact now, that anger and resentment and fear increases a bad bacteria called Bacteroides fragilis. This is one of the bad bacteria that people with IBS and other functional digestive problems have growing too much in their gut. And fear, anxiety, worry, and anger is the big one that can make this guy grow more than it should. So the two main takeaway points from this lecture, if you have any problems with your gut functioning, is to get checked for pancreatic enzyme insufficiency. And number two, if you are harboring any anger, any fear, or stress, you need to be doing a mind-body practice every day. If anger and fear is something you identify with, doing a loving kindness meditation just for 5 minutes, and I have one on the website, is a really great way to start.